How to check if a variable is a dictionary in Python. How would you check if a variable is a dictionary in Python? For example, I'd like it to loop through the values in the dictionary until it finds a dictionary. Then, loop through the one it finds.
You could use if type L is dict or use if instance L, dict, which would work if you had subclass dict.
How would you check if a variable is a dictionary in Python? This is an excellent question, but it is unfortunate that the most upvoted answer leads with a poor recommendation, type objs_dict. Note that you should also not use dict as a variable name, it's the name of the built-in object. If you are writing code that will be imported and used by others, do not presume that they will use the dict built-in directly. Making that presumption makes your code more inflexible and in this case, create easily hidden bugs that would not error the program out. I strongly suggest, for the purposes of correctness, maintainability, and flexibility for future users, never having less flexible, unidiomatic expressions in your code when there are more flexible, idiomatic expressions. Is a test for object identity. It does not support inheritance, it does not support any abstraction, and it does not support the interface. So I will provide several options that do. Supporting inheritance. This is the first recommendation I would make, because it allows for users to supply their own subclass of dict, or a orderedict, default dict, or counter from the collections module. If is instance any underscore object, dict, column. But there are even more flexible options. Supporting abstractions. This allows the user of your code to use their own custom implementation of an abstract mapping, which also includes any subclass of dict, and still get the correct behavior. Use the interface. You commonly hear the OOP advice, program to an interface. This strategy takes advantage of Python's polymorphism or duck typing. So just attempt to access the interface, catching the specific expected errors, attribute error in case there is no .items and type error in case items is not callable, with a reasonable fallback, and now any class that implements that interface will give you its items. Note .iterItems is gone in Python 3. Perhaps you might think using duck typing like this goes too far in allowing for too many false positives, and it may be, depending on your objectives for this code. Conclusion. Don't use is to check types for standard control flow. Use is instance, consider abstractions like mapping or mutable mapping, and consider avoiding type checking altogether, using the interface directly.
In Python 3.6.
My testing has found this to work. Now we have type hints. Side note, some discussion about typing .dict here.
If you all want to talk sa Emre, kaya kasi yung subscribing